In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a paper trading account on TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll have a safe simulated account set up so you can practice strategies without risking real money. First, open the TradingView app on your phone. Make sure you're on the official mobile app and that it's up to date so the menus and icons match what you see here. If the app opens on a watch list or ideas feed, that's fine. We're heading straight to the trading tools. Next, go to the chart view using the icon along the bottom of the screen. The chart view is where you'll spend most of your time analyzing price action, and, importantly, where TradingView keeps its trading controls. Give the chart a moment to load. A stable internet connection helps everything appear correctly. Now, tap the pencil icon at the bottom. This brings up your chart tool set and ensures the full set of on-chart controls is visible. Even if you don't plan to draw on the chart, opening this tool area helps reveal additional trading options you'll use in a second. With the tools visible, look for the trade icon, the one with the up and down arrows, and tap it. This opens TradingView's trading panel. The trading panel is where you manage broker connections, place orders, and switch between live brokers and the built-in simulator. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're still on the chart screen and that the toolbar isn't minimized. From the trading panel, choose Paper Trading. TradingView will set up a simulated account with virtual funds, so you can practice entries, exits, and risk management in real time without financial exposure. You'll typically see your paper balance and connection status appear near the bottom of the chart once it's active. That's your confirmation that the paper trading account is ready. A quick tip as you begin: treat paper trading like the real thing. Define your position size, set stop losses and targets, and keep notes on what works. The more realistic your practice, the faster you'll build confidence before moving to live trading.